So you are going to learn this Pega subject from basic level to expert level. That means from zero to complete advanced level. So it will cover lead level of development, Okay, to that level. You will be equivalent to 6 to 7 years experience candidate. Okay, if you are going to attend this training program. See, you do not know anything in Pega as of today. You don't know anything. You don't know what is Pega also. Still, starting from that level, you can claim that you have around 6 to 7 years of experience in Pega. To that expert level, I will give you the training. Why I am telling this is because I am going to teach you the topics which are meant for lead level. Practically, I will teach you all those topics. So to that extent, as I am going to teach you, it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. Okay. Please make sure that you need to attend the classes. You attend the classes regularly. Every day, without missing the session, you need to attend to gain good knowledge and to understand the ongoing classes. And someday, even if you are going to miss due to some emergency, no problem. You can just go through the video 1 or 2 days. That will be okay. Even if you miss the session, you will get the video. Okay, for your information. And so, so this training is going to make you as a Pega developer. This training is going to make you as a Pega developer. Learning Pega course, okay, you are going to claim yourself as a Pega developer. You are going to be a Pega developer where after this course is completed, you will be able to develop the applications independently. That means after this course, you don't have to take anyone else's help. Any topic in Pega, you can do it by your own without taking any help. To be able to work on enhancements of the existing Pega application. That means if I give you already developed Pega application, functionalities are already been implemented. And if you are being asked to enhance any existing functionality, you will be able to do that. So learning the Pega course here, you can be a developer who can develop the applications from the scratch, and you can work on already developed application and try to understand that application by reverse engineering and do the enhancements of that, and to be able to work on production support issues also. That means how to analyze the issue, how to troubleshoot the issue, all that knowledge also you are going to get from this training program. Okay, now, so during this training program or from this training program, you are going to learn development, enhancements, troubleshooting, designing, identifying and fixing the issues. All the ways you will be molded as a full-fledged Pega developer with this training program. Okay, in real time, by the time you join a company and a project, definitely somewhat basic level of development would have been done, the basic foundation. You need to start enhancing the things. Sometimes you may have to create from the scratch. Sometimes there are some issues that are going to raise. You may have to troubleshoot the issue by finding out the root cause of the issue and fix it. Okay, all that ways you will be molded with this training if you are going to attend the sessions regularly and practice. Okay, everyone clear so far? Whenever I ask you anything like are you clear, something like that, any one person regularly can unmute and respond, and that time you can get back to me and ask me if you have any doubts. So far, are you clear? You can unmute and respond. You can use chatting window. You can use gestures on this Zoom meeting. In the Zoom meeting, you have message option to me and you have gestures. Okay, thumb symbol means I am good. Suppose if you raise your hand like this, I have a doubt. Hand raising is like doubt. Thumb is good. And you can unmute and say I am good. Or you can unmute and say I have a doubt, Harsha. I want to ask that. Like that. I think so far, are you clear? I think you're clear so far. See, welcome all of you again, once again to Harsha Trainings Institute. And this is our office number. Okay, details about the course, duration of the course, what is the cost of the course, and Pega software that you wanted to install on your personal laptop. and the assistance for installation, material, video access. Any of these issues, you need to contact always our office number. Okay, this is our office number 9652532753. If you want to ask some details about what is the duration of Pega training and what is the course content, okay, please share me course content. Okay, what is the cost of this training program? Okay, could you please provide me Pega software that I want to install on my laptop? Can you send me installation instructions video? Or during the installation, if it fails, any assistance, material related to Pega, video access if you have not been provided after you enroll for that assistance, all this type of admin related assistance, you call our admin at 9652532753 through the WhatsApp or phone call. Okay, for your information. Before we begin anything, I'm giving you some information. And I am your Pega trainer. My name is Harsha, and this is my personal phone number 8886266619. I request all of you please note this number in your phone and save as Pega trainer. The first number is Pega admin. The second number Pega trainer Harsha. Harsha Pega trainer. This is Harsha trainings number. Institute number, my number. Please, all of you, once you save, let me know. I can go forward from there. You must be having my number in your phone saved, because many times you will get back to me for career guidance in future, some technical doubts, interview, real interview help. I will be available from 11 a.m. IST to 9 p.m. IST. Please save. Once you save, respond so that I'll go forward. I'll wait for a minute. At least if you don't have phone handy, save it in a notepad in your laptop. After the class, save in your phone. Okay, anyhow. So you will remember these things clearly, please. You will be contacting me for these reasons only. Your career guidance, Pega technical doubts. Suppose after the course is over, you have an interview. Suppose you attended interview, you are not able to answer few questions, some help there. And these type of things related to Pega. Normal video access, material access, course content, assistance for issues and all, admins will help you. No worries. I will give you one more number later who can help you during your practice if you face any issues. I will give you that number also. You can wait on that. Okay. And yes, that is for your information.